Women of Reddit, what are some period tips and tricks did you learn from your mothers, other women, and females? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Indifference. Today you're probably here because you're a Redditor, you either subscribe to me, or you're just some person out there looking for period tips and tricks for your girlfriend or for yourself. Welp. Here's a quick disclaimer so YouTube likes me and so you can't blame anything on me, because other people have given these tips. Blue the Book Nerd says caffeine makes cramping worse. Alleviates some of the pain and can make it end earlier. Didn't learn that one from family. Heating pads can help when applied to the area. It's a muscle work, so it helps. Doku Bro says, I should say nearly, specifically speaking about hormones are going so crazy, it's sometimes good to get them out. Weed reduces cramping, alcohol, painkiller, distress agent. Dark chocolate, a good clean vegetable stir fry, and readily available blankets are also good things to have and not need. Fast food is easy, but it's bloaty and greasy, so I would order good food. I'm also pretty sure CBD would be dope. And IDK, but if I was cramping really bad, I would be drinking water, trying to stay moving to speed up the process, because water helps speed up stuff. Something Dumb 465 says, toilet paper is your best friend. Always keep a pad or tampon in your jacket pocket. Also, your jacket is also your best friend. Because, if you leak and you want to cover up that, remember to carry a jacket so you can tie it around your waist, to be safe. Kennedy Has No Life says, don't wear light-colored skirts, pants when you know you're about to start. Also, super hot bath help with cramps. Because, again, muscle work. So warmth usually helps to soothe whatever is going on. Quickly One says, I eat lots of chocolate and try to rationalize what happens to you. Like, if this happened on another day, would I still cry? I haven't exactly ever cried during periods, but for those who do, just rationalize things. Puglover0906 says, carry lots of pad. I cannot stress this. Keep them everywhere. Your bag, your purse, everywhere. Anonymous MWW says, in a sticky situation, use paper towels. I used to use toilet paper, which would break apart. Now I use paper towels every night with pads because I do not want to explain to my mom why she should get me diapers. Yes, adult diapers for periods do exist, and toilet paper is such a good hack. I did not know about this, and this is honestly a blessing. Thank you so much. Lasagna Official says, do not eat chocolate, sweets when you're on your period. It just makes the cramps worse. Now, it refers to milk chocolates and white chocolate because dark chocolate is actually good for you. So yeah, remember, dark chocolate good, other chocolates bad. Bright as Day says, layer your pads and try to sit upright to prevent leakage if your period is too heavy. This is good tips. Thank you. Glittercorn 666 says, to make cramps better, sleep or lie on your front with one leg to the side at a 90-degree angle. Hard to describe. It's kind of like lying on your belly and making an H with your body. So just make an H with your body, a small H while lying down. Maddie X3 says, for a makeshift heating pad, put uncooked rice in a socks, tie it up and microwave it at 10-second increments, I guess. So yeah, do that. That helps. Good tip. There you have it, guys. Tips and tricks from Reddit women to help you guys. You might be a guy wanting to help his girlfriend, someone trying to understand periods before they get their first period, or you're just looking to help things out on this hellish week. So be sure to drop a comment about any tips or tricks that you learned so you can help a sister out. And be sure to like the video if you like it, and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share the video with someone who you thought might need help. Love you guys. Bye.